This is how it starts. This is how it starts. Trailhead. We had to get an online pass. You have to book the pass. You got to do it. You just got to do it. So here we are. No games.
Look at Colonel Sanders, man. They pop off his old KFC. Is that the marker?
We're gonna look, see if there's a marker right here, which there is. Check it out. Hello, people. Just get footage. So this is the marker, 6.5K. So this is the marker. I've seen people turn back around this time, so.
No turning back. No way out like Diddy.
Huh?
No way out. We're doing this.
Exactly.
We can't stop.
Shirts are going off on the way back. I feel you, man. Shirts going off on the way back. Shirts are off, man.
Shirts are off.
Shit, I might even take it off sooner than later. Here we are. Whoa. Okay, we're almost there.
It's time for that bug spray. They're coming at me like full force right now.
Bug spray time. As you can see, this is Taylor Meadows that way, but we're going to the lake campground, 3K. So 3K to go.
And they just on you.
So we'll do that another time. This is the campground. We're going this way.
You don't want any more? Okay. I'm not gonna stop again. You gotta have this, bro.
Hang on.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you.
Got Ray coming. At least there's a washroom over there. Washroom.
Anything I got up. Next hike is gonna be crazier. This is a crazy hike. Every part of me feels it.
Yeah.
It's very spiritual. It's a meditation.
But we ain't there yet though, Ray. We still got another 3 kilometers. That's what's inside. 3 kilometers to go. So
3K.
3K. But the switchback's over. But we got another 3K to go. And my hips, I'm feeling it in my hips. Shouldn't have done those squats last night, but I don't give a fuck. We're here, man. This is hike of the year. Nature boy. Woo! We're poaching the lakes.
It doesn't seem real, bro. Did we do it?
No, we still gotta go, but
wow, that's a nice lake, man.
It's a nice lake, but we're approaching different terrains. Now we gotta go around this small lake.
Clean lake, no piss.
Yeah, we gotta go along the small lake so we can find the big lake. So
I tell anybody who's watching this video that this is an amazing hike, totally worth every fucking second.
Yeah.
And it's just an exhilaration, man.
Exhilaration.
Exhilaration. Do this hike. That's why he's making these videos, to give you a taste. To get you out of yourself and hike.
Yeah, we got to pass across this part. This is...
Get in touch with nature, get in touch with God.
And we'll leave it at that. All right. So here we are. We're going up, man. This is... We pretty much hit the lake.
Where do we go chill?
No, we got to go along this path here. So we've reached the lake, but we got to trek through this little part here to kind of get to the middle of the lake. So this is where it helps to have the hiking boots. How you guys doing?
Good, and you?
Pretty good. Hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Right? All right, let's check back when we get to the actual chilling zone. How cold is it?
It's okay.
Yeah, I thought so. I'm gonna go in.
You might find it cold.
Yeah? It looks cold, but you know what? It's August. Got a sandwich. There's a little area here. You got this for the bears here.
And now I see why. It's really fun. And
Yeah. You get some of like good views. This is a good one.
not a lot of investors too.
No. Yeah.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Excellent. So next time we gotta hit up.
Some footy?
Yeah, we're gonna hit the Panorama Ridge next time. Hit that next time.
I'll put it out. Let's have one more. I'll put it out.
No, just put it out.
Okay.
There's wildfire season. You can't smoke up here.
Put it out on the wood either because you're gonna burn it, right? Like,
Okay, I'm done. I'm never gonna do it. It's my first hike, man. I don't know about
No good, man.
Okay, you want to store it on the ground or what?
no, I want you to put it out and then pack it out with you, like
Oh, leave it. What, to put in the pack in the pack?
like make sure like it just can't live here in the park, right? Like if
Okay,
you put
yeah,
it
yeah.
out and put it back in your pack,
That's okay.
that's fine.
Okay, can I
But-
put it on the rock a little bit more?
Like anytime you're like, no, please don't do that.
Okay.
So,
Is there anywhere I can just put it up on the pack or something? Well, that's
do you,
fine. That's
you guys got some water or anything?
yeah. I'll just put it up.
Pour some water on it and put it in your pack.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. Let's put it up.
Yeah, it's like a big.
I had no idea, man.
No, you're not supposed to smoke on hikes, man.
I know.
Now you know, and also with the wildfire season.
Yeah, it's
you know, we
insane.
wanna Make sure that
I'm glad you guys are doing your job, man. You gotta let them know, because this is how some things start. Oh, it just had a cigarette, and the next thing you know, craziness. Wind comes.
Yeah. Are you guys just up here for day hikes?
Yeah,
today?
just for a day hike, man. Thanks. Thank you. Okay, it looks cold. It looks real cold. But it doesn't feel that cold. It's not a hot day. So I'm debating going in. I'm here. I'm in my fucking boat. No, I did not camp here, friends. I want to. I got this underwater thing here. Huh? Coffee? No, I got beer. This is cold, man. I'm really like not wanting to do this plunge right now. Not wanting to do this plunge. I gotta do the plunge, right? Oh, I did it! Woo! We don't come all the way to Garibaldi and not go in the water, baby. So, yeah! Woo! It's awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! I'll start the trend going, baby. Cold plunge. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this.
Honestly, it's not that deep. Like, just sit on the rock.
Check it out, check it out. Let's go a little further down.
Oh, it's beautiful out
It
here.
is beautiful. I'm not so saying we only got to see a little bit. There's more up here, man. It's just
It
like,
becomes like a real beach when you deeper you go.
yeah.
Because when you get there, it's kind of like, where do you chill? But then the more you go, it's like chill. Lots of places to chill.
Lots of places. Oh, we got some sun coming out too, man. Okay, back from going into the water. We're just checking out the views right here. Whoa, and we're tripping on shit. And look at this.
Wow.
Yeah, look at this. This is nice, man. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a picture over here in this island part here. Go up a little.
Island girl.
Yeah, let me go over there.
Oh, this is the other one.
Yeah.
So it's just chairs, eh? I
Yes.
guess if it rains, it's nice again.
Anything can happen up here, man.
Go in there, no snow and shit.
Where? No, we didn't go.
I just was like, I'm gonna get it. I don't know, but I'm
It's going. See, we got that beautiful.
See you later.
Yeah.
We did it!
Hell yeah, homie. Hell
Say hi
yeah.
to Luke.
What's up, Luke? What's up, Luke?
What up, JR, man? Are you doing a crazy hike, eh?
Doing crazy hikes. You gotta come out. We're gonna come out your way, man.
JR was possessed. He finished 20 minutes early. He was running like he almost fell off the cliff. He was running like he wouldn't stop. He just couldn't stop.
This is the end of the hike. It was
Couldn't stop, bro.
insane. It was 10 out of 10. You know, we had cool people we met people from all over.
That's why JR
You know,
is
so
James is so lean, 'cause
I can't
he
even get
does
in. I can't even get
hikes
into
all
the
time.
stories, man. But it was a great hike. I did leave Ray for a little bit. I was running these trails like I was possessed.
Like he was possessed.
I was possessed.
He was
I was
running,
bumping
and
the
then he
Beastie
almost
Boys.
fell off the fucking
Got
cliff.
possessed.
He almost fell off the cliff.
So what is this hike out of scale of 1 to 10?
10. 10.
Yeah,
I'm
10.
high. We're having Domino's pizza.
Domino's.
Meat eater all the way.
Straight meat eater pizza. No more vegan style, man. No more vegan style.
Yeah, we're gonna do a hike probably like next week here. Probably next week here.
What's up? You can't escape the camera. How was the hike? How was the hike?
Oh, it was incredible. It was incredible.
You saw me in beast mode there,
I
huh?
saw you in beast mode.
I
I
don't-
literally thought I was watching, I don't know, Roadrunner. It was incredible.
Yeah, I thought I was like in the Navy. I thought I was like in an army. Then I don't know. I thought it was a movie.
I can hear this presence, and then you were like, ran past, and then I thought you were gonna fall off the edge. It was
Oh
so
my
wild.
God.
So,
Yeah.
Follow my YouTube channel.
yeah.
February All-Star. February All-Star.
Okay.
If you remember, you remember. If not,
One and only.
we'll survive without it. But yeah, good to meet everyone. Good to meet everyone.
Good to meet you.
Yes. So this concludes Garibaldi.
I'm sweating too.
Garibaldi Lake. It was beautiful.